everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk and today I'm gonna show you how I did the gallery wall in my living room.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories.
This video will be a little bit different because one, I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. I am not talented at all. I just want you to know that you can do anything that you want to and your home is your own. So if you like your artwork and that's what you want to do, you can go ahead and do it. I love painting. I just don't think I'm particularly talented at it. But it's a really great outlet to let your feelings out and de-stress. So if you love doing that, just go ahead and do it. The second reason why this video will be a little bit different is because I've been told that I talk a lot, which is very true, and this intro will be very long, but I'm gonna be playing you some awesome music while why can't I say the word while? I will be playing some awesome music while I roll the footage of how I painted all of those things. And not every single day you feel like talking a lot. I do, but not every single day you just feel like talking and being open and social. So I think today is one of those days and I just want to let myself feel how I feel. But I did promise that I will post every Saturday. It's a goal of mine to keep to my word and stick to this YouTube thing, so I will be doing that. The third reason why this video will be different is because I am very butthurt about last week's video or Tuesday's video that I had background music that was like really awesome from Epidemic Sound and you can't even hear it at all. I only realized that after I uploaded the video. Some days are better than others. Don't beat yourself up, you know, we all judge ourselves way more than other people judge ourselves. Then other people judge us. So in today's video, I just want to use some awesome music to set the vibe. Again, the video is pretty self-explanatory. I just worked with lines and little brush strokes. I didn't use a lot of waters on some of the paintings. I bought the papers at Michael's for 99 cents each. I bought 3 white ones and 3 black ones. I used these 2 super cheap. I think they were like $1.50 paints from Walmart, and I had some old brushes laying around. So I did look at Pinterest for inspiration. But some of them I literally just put my brush on the paper and just let it take me wherever it takes me. Most of my frames have been in between $2.99 and $5.99 at Goodwill. The one thing that I want to say is that you want to make sure that they are open from the back friendly. I don't know how else to say it. You want to make sure that you can easily open it from the back and then put it back together, because some of the ones that I bought were not. So that was one lesson learned there. You take the back part out and you put it on the paper and trace it out. It will be much easier to fit it on the frame itself and it will save you a lot of time.
We're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, weight on my shoulder. Had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? When the world is everything, no break us up for good, would you hang around? When all we got right now, tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos. Sabía todo de ella, pero ahora ya no lo sé. Siempre has estado tan bella, pero has cambiado, mujer.
When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown?
Siendo que ya no te tengo, o al menos yo no tu amor. No, no, no.
Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us.
Through the night and day, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. Through the night and day, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you're the type of person that enjoys less talking and more music, or if you're the type of person who likes to hear my accent for hours, because I do get those comments as well. If you want to see what's happening throughout the week, you can follow me at Karina Beneduk on Instagram. See you next time. Mwah. Take care. The likes this video, because oh my god, now they're both not quiet. The second I will be playing you some awesome music while I'm at painting. Not every single day you just